Good morning. Camby, are you excited to see Grandpa?
What is it you see? Tell me, what do you believe in?
Good morning. Just woke up and my dad just called that he has landed, and so we are leaving the hotel now to go pick him. So we'll pick him and bring him back to the hotel before we go. I am so tired from yesterday. Oh my god, see my view, guys. So we are trying to just hurry. Look at my morning face. So trying to dress up. We're all dressed and I want to do my skincare. Yeah, I want to brush and do my skincare. Babe, or should I not do my skincare when we come back? What do you think? Okay, now when we come back, I'll do my skincare. Because he already called that he's picking his box, so we need to go. So when I come back, we'll bring him back to the hotel and I'll then do my skincare. That is no problem. I just need to wear my wig right now. My wig is over there. I just need to wear my wig. I want to dress the girls. So look at my sleepy face. So hi, Camby. Trying to Mama, you have to wake up. Want to see Grandpa. She doesn't want to wake up. Mama. So we're about leaving. Babe, why do you put on this filter? Yeah. Let me get my lip gloss. I'll just use my Aqua 4 Healing Ointment. I love this on my lips. It just hydrates the lips. Then my Aveeno oil, just to make my hand not looking all white. So we're about leaving for the airport. So so how are you guys doing? Good morning. I just woke up in a rush, like in a very big rush. So my necklace. Is she calling you, Toby? So oh, the number is calling. My phone is ringing. So I'm going to pick my call right now. So guys, I stopped the video to pick the call. My dad is at the gate, exit gate, so we have to move. Girls, let's go, let's go. So we have to move. Yeah, let's go pick Grandpa.
I want to.
So we have to move.
I'll give you in the car, okay, Kobe?
It's inside here.
Your juice is in the bag, okay?
The juice is in the bag. See?
Alright, let's go. Let's go, girls.
Drop this one.
To get Grandpa. Kobe, are you excited to go pick Grandpa?
Yeah.
We are excited to pick Grandpa. So we are going right now, okay? We've won our jacket. So let's go. Yes. You want to hold this? Say something. It's recording. Say something to my subscribers. Say hi.
Hi.
Leaving the room. Let's go, Mama. Going to the elevator. So he said he's at Terminal 1, Zone C. So we are going down. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. And I actually ate late yesterday, so I don't know why I'm hungry this morning. Which one is opening? I think people are using the elevator because it's taking time. Okay, we are here. Let's go in. Go in, girls. Ooh. Oh, okay. It's a very beautiful weather, not so cold. So my dad is lucky. He won't feel so cold. So this is the squad. Where is Camby? Okay. This is the squad. We're going. Hey, easy. My baby have little legs. She's literally running. Camby is literally running. Oh my God. Ooh, I am so excited. Wow, how many hours in the flight? He's finally here. Camby, are you excited to see Grandpa? Yes. My baby is happy to see her Grandpa. She has never seen her Grandpa. So, you see Grandpa, okay? We are on our way to the airport.
In 200 meters, use the right lane to take
To pick Grandpa. On our way to the airport.
Use the right 2 lanes to take the Eglinton Avenue exit.
Close to the airport. The airport. These airport roads are so confusing. Like, so we are in arrivals. Or we are supposed to look for Terminal 1. Okay, this is Arrival 1, right? So it's here. Terminal 1. So we are in Terminal 1. So we are looking for Zone C. You said zone. We are head door. So we are looking for C, Sha. C there. Where? Oh, down there. Oh, your eye is sharp. Oh. See people parked now. That's when you pick the person, you just move. Oh yeah. Kobe, have you seen Grandpa? Yeah. You see Grandpa? See the building. Grandpa is here. So excited. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Sir? Yes, I'll call her.